Hello and welcome to Dumbphones UK. My name's Joseph. I look at dumb or dumber devices on the UK market, and I'm still on the CAT S22 Flip, and you've been asking me to show you what it's like to install a launcher, to try and customize that launcher. So I'm just doing that today. It's going to be a more gentle, more chilled out video. So if you want to skip to the part that you need, please do just use the chapters along. But it's a nice, gentle video that I'm making so that you can see the process of installing a launcher. You can see the process of trying to customize that launcher, and you'll see all the problems that I faced along the way. And then hopefully at the end of it, we'll have a customized CAT S22 Flip. So please do stick around if you want to see that. Please like, please subscribe. It really helps me. It helps the channel. It helps you. It means I can show you more phones. I just say, sit back, relax, enjoy. Let's see what we can do with this device. So we are going to install a new launcher on this device. This is just the default launcher that comes with the CAT S22 Flip. So we are going to install a new launcher, and one that I like the look of is the Nova launcher. So I'm going to hop into the Play Store, I'm going to search, and I'm going to search just because it's easier so you can see what I'm doing. You can see that Nova launcher exists here. I'm going to install that. We're going to wait. So we can see that's now installed. I'm going to open Nova launcher, and we are going to get started on the setup. So this is just the default setup of Nova launcher. That's the max that we can go to. On this device is 122. I'm going to leave it, you know what, I'm going to leave it at 122. I can choose to have it default, rounded, flower. I'm going to go for default. Open up more. There's more options there, but I don't need any more options. So we can see that's going to be my icon style. Going to go through, and we're going to have, I'm just going to leave this as default for now. App drawer is going to be vertical, show keyboard. I don't want that to happen on this device if I've got the screen keyboard on. And we're going to go home. So here we go. We can see that it has all of our icons here. Everything is set up, able to be used as one would expect. So the other thing I'm now going to do is I'm going to jump into the Play Store, and I'm going to download Pix Bit. Pix Bit is an icon pack for your device. So you can see here, I'm not affiliated with Pix Bit in any way, and this is going to cost me £1.89 to do. So it's got some great reviews. Always require authorization for payments. That's important. No, thank you. And this has now been purchased. Within Pix Bit, you can see the icons that we have here. This is just me clicking through them, and you can see all of the lovely little icons there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this to my Nova launcher. So you can see here, it's got a long list of launchers in it. I'm just going to click Nova launcher there. I'd like to apply the theme. Here we go. So we're finding out together. You can change this setting in Nova settings, look and feel, icon theme. So we're going to head there. So Nova settings. Within here, I'm just going to check on Nova settings. Within Nova launcher, there we go. We're going to hop in. Nova launcher is currently on, and within Nova launcher, perfect. So we're going to hop back to Nova launcher, and we can now see that the icon pack has been updated. I am going to hop into Nova settings here. This is not set as my default. I am going to set this as my default. I'd like my default to be Nova. That's just applying that now. And I'm going to hop into Nova settings, and we are going to look and feel, So this is icon style. We already have this set. So we have the icon theme as Pix Bit, and we have the icon shape. Perfect. And in terms of the actual launcher itself, I would like to have my labels. Perfect. So this is what I've got. So now within Nova Launcher we can see here, if we move this, so that's getting hidden by this search bar that I don't want. Widget settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these around. We can then hop in and I can add Spotify. So for example, I don't need Gmail to be on here, so I'm going to get rid of Gmail. See, it's a very cute icon pack. Maybe we'll try this without names as well to see whether that, without labels, should I say. So let's try that now. I think that's quite cute. So I'm going to hop in, I'm going to increase the size. So you can, once you get rid of labels, you can make the size bigger. There we go. I think that looks quality. So what we're going to have at the bottom on the left here, we're going to have Spotify. We're then going to have Google Chrome. Then going to have the Play Store at the bottom right, and we're going to have the camera here. Going to get rid of the others because I don't want them on my home screen. And I'm just going to check any other apps that I have that I feel are useful. You know what? I think Waze is a... don't love the look of the app. There we go. So that is going to be my home screen from now on. So, doesn't change the outside of the device. However, when you flip it open, you unlock your device. You've got a nice pixel-based icon pack to be able to review. I think it looks great. So there we have it. That was just a nice, as I said at the start, gentle, simple video where I installed Nova Launcher and then I paid and I purchased Pix Bit. So now I have, let's be honest, a pretty cool theme on my CAT S22 Flip. So that's something that you can follow. It's relatively simple and some people know how to do it, others don't know how to do it. So I just wanted to make a chilled, calmer, gentler video to showcase that. So anyway, behave yourselves, please like, please subscribe. As you've seen in that video, I've spent money to showcase that to you. I obviously spent money on the devices and I want to bring you more and more, so it really helps me and it helps the channel. Spread the word, tell your friends if they like dumb phones. If they don't, I don't need any of that. But anyway, behave yourselves and I will see you soon for another video. Bye-bye.